Contiguous subarray whose sum is equals to k and their average should be maximum, and you have to return the value. Okay, so here is given an example: 112 minus 5 minus 6 50 and 3, and the value of k is 4. You have to take the size of subarray should be equals to k, means the size is 4. So you can find the average of these 4 elements and store in a maximum, and after finding the average you will find the next 4 element, which is 12 minus 5 minus 6 and 50. If their average is greater than previous average, then you just have to rewrite the value. Okay, so let's understand with an example. First you will find the average of these 4 element, which is 1 plus 12 minus 5 minus 6. Okay, after finding this average, you will get minus 11 by 4, which is 2 by 4. The average will 0.5. Okay, you have to find the average, which is 0.5, and again you will find the average of next 4 element, which is plus 12 minus 5 minus 6 plus 20, and after this you just have to divide by 4. You will get 21 by 4. Okay, which will give you 5. Okay, this will give average of their sum is, okay, so this is 50 not 20. I just write wrong. This is 50 not 20, so the average will give 12.75, and again you follow the same procedure, which in which you will move your window to the last element, minus 5 minus 6 50 and 3. So 53 minus 11 will give 42, and after finding the average, so the maximum average will be 12.75. Okay, so you just have to do one thing. So let's do this. First you have to create int n equals to nums dot size, which will store the size of an array, and then double answer equals to 0, which will store the answer, and the double window, it is also initially 0 because we have to return in a decimal value, so that's why we are using double int type, I mean double data type. So let's find the sum of first four element for int I equals to 0, I less than k, and then I plus plus, in which we have to store the sum window plus equals to nums of I. Okay, this will store the window sum, and then answer equals to window by k. Okay, answer will store the average of the window, and then again I will traverse in this for this will for loop. In a window we have stored the average of first 4 element, and now we have to find the next 4 and another next 4 element till the size n. Okay, so the right int I equals to k, I will start from the k, means sixth, sorry, I will start from the 50, and then move I less than nums dot size, and then I plus plus, I will do the window plus equals to nums of I minus nums of I minus k. Okay, you have to do this, and after this you just have to store the answer value in maximum of answer comma window by k. Okay, this will find the average. This will find the average of previous window, and then we will store into the maths. Okay, and after this for loop you just have to return the answer. Okay, means the average. So I hope you understand this code. Let's check it whether it is. So let's run this code. There is a compiler error. Okay, let's again run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been submitted. Thanks for watching.